9th class student exercise 10.5 circle. Question number 1 क्या है? 2 circles ready, 5 or 3 semi. Two circle, D is ready, 3 and 5 semi. A and B is the center of circle. Both circle A and B center of circles. Distance between AB is equal to 4 semi. Radius five semi and 3 semi. AB distance between two center 4 semi. Intersect at 2 point C and D. Find the distance of CD or common chord. That is 5 semi, 3 semi. Let BM is equal to X, then AM is equal to 4 minus X. BM perpendicular CD, or you can write the CM. We find the distance length of common chord CD in triangle both angle make the right angle. तो right triangle CMB, BC is hypotenuse and CM plus CM square plus MB square. That is Pythagoras formula. MB square, BC value is 3 square. CM let the CM is equal to X semi, AM is equal to 4 minus xm. Cm is equal to x square plus Cm at first value. Find the value of Cm. Cm square plus Mb value is equal to x. 9 minus 3 square minus x square is equal to Cm square. Now in triangle ACM, angle AMC is equal to 90, AMC is equal to 90, AC is hypotenuse and AM is base or CM is perpendicular. AC value is 5, AM value is equal to 4 minus x square plus Cm square. 5 square minus 4 minus x square is equal to Cm square. Both Cm square equal Cm square. Then put the value. First Cm square 3 square minus x square is equal to 5 square minus 4 minus x square. Square of 3 is equal to 9 minus x square is equal to x square 25. 5 square is 25 minus 4 square 4 minus x. Formula is whole square x square minus 8x. Remove the bracket is equal to 25 minus 16 minus x square plus 8x. X square 9 is equal to 9 plus 8x. 9 and 0 is equal to 8x. X is equal to 0.8 is equal to 0. Put the value. X is equal to 0. Then Cm square is equal to 3 square minus 0 square is equal to 3 square Cm square. So Cm is equal to 3 semi. Then CD is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 semi. We can solve the question if situation this type. Actually, this figure is not accurate only in numbering question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is 3, 4, 5. Question number 5. 3 girls सलमा, रेशमा, सलमा और मनदीप sitting playing the game standing a circle. Let the Mandeep Salma and Resma. O is the center. Radius of circle is equal to 5 semi. Distance between Salma and Mandeep and Salma and Resma is 6 semi. We find the distance between Resma and Mandeep. That is the code. MR is code. Given is radius of circle is equal to 5 semi. Resma Salma and Mandeep. Distance Mandeep to Salma is equal to 6 and distance Salma to Resma is equal to 6 semi. To find is MR, yeah, RM, distance between Resma and Mandeep. Construction. What will be construction? Join O to S with RM intersect by N point and join O to M. OM is radius 5 semi, then SO also radius, and 5 semi radius. Join O to R and O to M and O to S with intersect RM 2 point RM at point N. That is construction solution. At first, in triangle RSO and triangle SOM. SO is common, OR is equal to OM, radius of circle, then SR is equal to SM at given distance between 6 सेमी। तो both triangle RSO congruent triangle SOM by triple S condition angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPCT. Now triangle RM RNO and triangle MNO. ON is common, OR is equal to OM, radius of circle, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. These angles have proved. So both triangles are congruent. Triangle RNO congruent triangle NOM by SAS. Angle ONR is equal to angle ONM by CPCT. This angle equal this, but both angle make a linear pair. तो एंगल O and M is equal to, both angle are 90 and angle S and M also is 90. Why? SO is a straight line. Now at first find the value of Mn, then Mn is equal to Rn. Mn is the chord of the circle. Now in triangle, right triangle MNO, MN O is 90, angle MNO is equal to 90. Pythagoras MN square is equal to OM square minus ON square. Let NO is equal to X semi, then SN is equal to 5 minus X semi. OS is a radius which length of the 5 semi. OM is equal to OM value is 5, ON value is X. This value is MN square. Now right triangle SNM, where angle SNM is equal to 90, SM MN square is equal to is perpendicular, SM is hypotenuse minus SN square. SM value is 6 square minus 5 minus X square. Both value equal to MN square. Therefore 5 square minus X square is equal to 6 square minus 5 minus X square. 5 square is equal to 25, X square is equal to 6 square 36 minus, make a whole square 5 minus X whole square 25 plus X square minus 10X. After remove the bracket, is equal to 36 minus 25 minus X square plus 10X. X square by X square. (25) is equal to 35 minus 36 minus 11 plus 10X. Then 10X is equal to 25 minus 11, 14. 10X is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 upon 10. 1.4 is equal to X. X value is ON. Putting the value of X in, MN square is equal to 5 square minus 1.4 square. 25 1.96 after minus 23 0.4. MN is equal to under root. MN is equal to 4.8 semi. Then MN is equal to NR is equal to 4.8 semi. Then RM is equal to 2 into 4.8 semi. 9.6 semi. RM. So distance between Resma and Mandeep is equal to 9.6. Semi actually is in meter, so you write meter in place of centimeter. Question number 5 is complete. Question number 6 is अंकुर, सैयद और डेविड एक सर्कुलर शेप में sitting at the equal distance, let the sitting Ankur, let the Syed and David. Distance between are equal, that is center of circle. This equal this is a equilateral triangle. Radius of circle is 20 meter. Let the equilateral triangle ASD OA is equal to OS, both radius of circle is equal to 20 meter. We find the distance between each. So we find the AS or SD or AD. Equilateral triangle at side of equilateral triangle is equal to 2x meter. Then SM is equal to 2x upon 2x meter. SD is chord. Draw the perpendicular from the center. Bisect the chord. At first, in triangle, in right triangle ASM, angle SMA is equal to 90. Height of the equilateral triangle. AS square hypotenuse AM square plus SM square. AS value 2x, which let by side of equilateral triangle. AM is equal to AM square is equal to plus SM value is x. After square 4x square is equal to AM square plus x square. After minus x square is equal to AM square. 3x square under root AM x under root 3 is value of AM. AM is height of the equilateral triangle and AM is x under root 3. Then OM is equal to complete AM is equal to x under root 3. Then OA is equal to radius is 20 meter. So then OM is equal to x under root 3 minus 20. In right triangle OSM, OS is hypotenuse, angle SNSMO is equal to 90 degree. SO square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to SM square plus OM square. OS value is 20. 20 square is equal to SM is equal to x plus OM is equal to x under root 3 minus 20 whole square. 400 is equal to x square plus when the remove the whole square 3x square plus 400 minus 40 under root 3 x. 400 by 0 is equal to 4x square minus 40 under root 3 x. Taken the common, 4x is common, x minus 10 under root 3 by quadratic equation 4x is equal to 0. So then x is equal to 0. Not valid. 10 under root 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 10 under root 3. We find the HD. HD is equal to SM plus MD. Both are equal. 10 under root 3 plus 10 under root 3 after plus 20 under root 3. So distance between each is equal to 20 under root 3 meter. Thank you.